Hi, and welcome to today's episode of Learn English Speaking. I'm so happy you're here. In this episode, we will talk about my daily routine. I will use simple sentences and easy words so you can practice your English and learn more about how to talk about your daily life in English. Let's begin with waking up. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. I open my eyes and look at the clock. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and yawn because I feel a little tired. Then, I get out of bed slowly. I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh. I brush my teeth with toothpaste. I clean my face and brush my hair. After that, I get dressed. I usually wear a t-shirt and jeans. Sometimes I wear a jacket if it's cold outside. After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, I make breakfast. I usually have cereal and milk. Sometimes I make toast with butter. I also drink a cup of coffee or tea. I eat my breakfast at the table and read the newspaper or look at my phone for a few minutes. At 8 a.m., I leave my house and drive to work. I take my car and drive on the road. The traffic can be busy, but I like to listen to music or a podcast while I drive. It helps me relax and enjoy the morning. I arrive at work around 8:30 a.m. When I arrive at the office, I say hello to my colleagues. We usually talk for a few minutes before we start working. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. Then, I check my emails and start working on my tasks. My job is to write reports and organize meetings. I talk to people on the phone and sometimes have meetings in the afternoon. At 12 p.m., I take a break for lunch. I usually eat lunch in the office, or sometimes I go outside to a nearby restaurant. My favorite lunch is a sandwich with chicken or a salad with vegetables. I drink water or juice with my lunch. During lunch, I also talk to my friends and share stories about our day. After lunch, I take a short walk outside to stretch my legs. In the afternoon, I return to my desk and continue working. I usually work on important tasks or answer emails. At 3 p.m., I take a short coffee break. I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. Sometimes I eat a small snack, like cookies or fruit. I talk to my colleagues while we drink our coffee together. After the break, I finish my work for the day. At 5 p.m., I leave the office and go home. The drive home is usually quicker, so I arrive at home around 5:30 p.m. When I get home, I take off my shoes and relax on the couch for a few minutes. Then, I start cooking dinner. I like to cook simple meals like pasta, soup, or stir-fry. I usually cook for about 30 minutes. While I cook, I sometimes listen to music or watch a TV show. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. Then, I sit down and watch TV or read a book. I enjoy watching movies, especially comedy or action films. Sometimes I read a novel or a magazine. If I'm tired, I just sit quietly and relax. Around 9 p.m., I take a shower to feel clean and refreshed. I use soap and shampoo, and then I dry my body with a towel. After the shower, I put on my pajamas and brush my teeth before bed. I like to read a little bit before I sleep. Sometimes I write in my diary or think about my day. At 10 p.m., I turn off the lights and get into bed. I close my eyes and try to sleep. Sometimes I think about my plans for tomorrow or dream about nice things. I fall asleep after a few minutes, and that's how my day ends. Now, I want to know about your daily routine. Do you wake up early, like me, or do you sleep a little longer? What do you do in the morning? Do you go to work, school, or stay at home? What do you do in the evening? Try to use English to describe your daily routine. It's a great way to practice. That's the end of today's episode. I hope you learned new words and sentences to talk about your daily routine. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try to speak in English every day and talk about your routine or anything else you like. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.